So with the understanding that we have, it means perimeter of a rectangle is a plus b plus a plus b. That's the total distance around the shape or the field. So when you group like terms, you end up getting what? 2a plus 2b. Because the a's are 2. 2 pairs are equal. So 2a plus 2b. And you can decide to factorize the 2 out to make 2 into bracket a plus b. So that's perfect for you. So that's for rectangle. Good. Then we go look at square. It's so simple. Perimeter of a square. Since the sides are equal, it's L plus L plus L. So for L, how we agree with that? Good. Then parallelogram is similar to that of a rectangle, because 2 pairs are equal, right? The 2 pairs are the length are equal, the breadth are also equal. So it becomes 2L plus 2B. It depends on the variable being used. The variables do not matter here. So just length and breadth. So similar to that. So what matters is to know the shape you are talking to or you are referring to. Very important. That's the most important thing. Do you know the shape? Do you know parallelogram? Do you know a rhombus? Do you know a kite? If you don't know them, and these are in class 3, class 4, class 5. So these are shapes. So master them and yes, apply the formula. Perimeter means total distance, total boundary, total wall, total length around the shape or around the field in question. Simple. So just putting them together by using algebra if they are like terms, as you see in rectangle and parallelogram and all that. Just group like terms. You are free. That's it. And where there's a need for you to factorize it out to make it simpler to work it out with. So that's it. Kite. This is a kite. Kite. These are also similar to that of rectangle. 2 pairs are equal. So it becomes 2L plus 2B. Good about that. Then we have trapezium. Trapezium. This type of trapezium, traditional trapezium, all the sides are different. So A plus B plus C plus D. Simple. If 2 pairs happen to be equal, it becomes 2, maybe 2A plus B plus C. Simple as ABC. So it depends on the size involved. This equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and the angles are also equal. So by here we are looking at perimeter. So A plus B, so that will be 3A. Then isosceles triangle, we have 2A plus 2B, 2A plus B, sorry, because 2 pairs are equal. So that's it. Scaling, all the sides are different. So A plus B plus C. So we are not doing anything much different. We are just making sure we are obeying the principle of what is perimeter, what is total boundary, what is total fence. Do you get it? What is total length? What is total distance around the field? Just put them together. Where algebra must be applied, grouping of like terms, you do so. It's as simple as ABC. Right. Now we will look at perimeter of a circle after getting the background. So when we are done with area, we will look at it. We look at perimeter of a circle. Why the formula came about. What happened? How was it derived? We look at it in simple terms. Okay, for a reason. Let me do that for a reason. Okay, perimeter. Let's look at this. When you have a circle like this, right? We have already developed the background that perimeter of a circle or perimeter of any object is the total distance around the shape, isn't it? And we are going by the principle that they must be straight edges. The sides must be straight. So what do? We cut these pies. These are pies, right? Good. A pie. You want to buy a pie to share to the family. There's a pie. So sharing the pie to the family, what do? You cut it into pieces in triangular form as is already demarcated. So we can see it here. This like this. You cut this one. You cut this one. You get it? You cut them and share. So what do? We decide to arrange it in a certain pattern. So we cut one, place it this way, pick the next one, place it the opposite direction, then pick the next one. Then you go by the same principle. I think this one is not Well done. Let me do it well. Place it this way. Cut the next one. Also place it. Cut the next one. Place it. So you just arrangement. You arrange it to form a rectangular shape. This is what happens. So automatically, you know that this is the radius, isn't it? A line from the center to the circumference of the circle, a point of the circumference of the circle is a radius. So for that matter, this is automatically radius. This is also radius, right? Perfect. Now, there has been a study that said that this ratio of the circumference to the diameter, you know, ratio is division. We have learned ratio. Ratio is another way of writing fraction. So the ratio of the circumference of the circle, that's total perimeter. That's the perimeter, total length of the circle, which is ratio, right? The perimeter of the circle, that's called circumference because it's circular, to the diameter, right? Which we refer to as pi. That figure is equal to 22 over 7. Let me write it up here. 22 over 7. Or equivalent to 22 over 7. Or which is also equivalent to 3.142. This is what is written over here. In decimals, 3.14. In fraction, 22 over 7. This is the picture. This is what we are going by. Good. It's a constant. That's why it is labeled as pi. So the name pi is just a constant to demonstrate that. So look at it carefully. When we want to make circumference the subject, we are looking for circumference because circumference is about perimeter. You just cross multiply. So our C will be equal to pi d. Do you agree? Pi d. So circumference equals pi d, where d is the diameter. Good. Now, extending it further, you know that diameter is equal to twice of radius, isn't it? So instead of writing pi d, you can say circumference is equal to pi 2r. Pi 2r. But in mathematics, arranging numbers and variables, you write the numbers first. So 2 pi r. That's what happens. So if circumference is 2 pi r, already we have our r existing. These are our r existing. 1 r here, 1 r there, per cutting the pi in this manner. So if circumference is twice of pi and twice of what? R. Where is the pi? That means automatically this is the pi. So this is what happens. So it means pi plus r, which will give you 2 pi r. So that's the formula for finding circumference. So when r is given to you, radius is given to you, apply this. When diameter is given to you, you can apply this one, pi d. This is how circumference or perimeter of a circle came about. So it's as simple as ABC. All right.